welcome back to our marketing management series. In today's lecture, we are going to understand an important topic, functions of marketing. In simple words, we will see how a product reaches from company to customer. First, what are marketing functions? Marketing functions are all the activities that help a product move from producer to customer. And the main goal is customer satisfaction. Think of a chocolate. Before it reaches you, someone researched it, someone made it, someone priced it, someone promoted it, and someone delivered it. All these are marketing functions. First step is market research. This means understanding what customers want, what they like, what they need. Example, before launching a phone, companies ask, do people need good camera, long battery? So research helps companies make better decisions. Next is product planning and development. Here, companies decide design, features, quality. Example, if students want affordable phones, companies will create budget-friendly phones. So, product is made based on customer needs. Next comes pricing. This means deciding the price of the product. Companies consider cost, competition, and demand. Example, if price is too high, people won't buy. If too low, company loses profit. So pricing must be balanced. Now comes promotion, the interesting part. Promotion means telling people about the product. It includes advertising, offers, and social media. Example, you see ads like flat 50% off, limited time offer. That is promotion to attract customers. Next is distribution. This means how the product reaches you. Flow is from manufacturer to wholesaler, wholesaler to retailer, from retailer to customer. Example, a biscuit company makes biscuit, shops sell them, and finally you buy them. Okay. The last is customer service. This happens after selling the product. It includes handling complaints, support, and warranty. Example, if your phone has an issue and company helps you, that is customer service. This builds trust and loyalty. Before moving to the question, let's revise the flow. First comes research, product, price, promote, distribute, and the last is service. This is the complete journey of a product from idea to customer. Now, here's a quick question for you. Which function involves understanding customer needs and market trends? Comment your answer below. Thank you for watching this lecture. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more marketing concepts. See you in the next video.